What's up, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. Hey, got this UHURU mouse. I've always kind of wanted a gaming mouse. I don't game, as you know, but this 2.4 gigahertz wireless mouse just looks really cool. There were like some Razer mice and things like that. I've always kind of wanted one. I think all of the mouse features are pretty much the same, but they just look the business. So it looks like we have an instruction manual here. It looks like we have some additional glider pads that you can put on the bottom. Also have a micro USB cable here, which is interesting. Assuming maybe that's for charging it up, I'm guessing. And that's it. That's all there is in the box. And here's what we got. The mouse itself, right? So there she is. And I can tell you right now, it's pretty Tron looking, man. It's kind of interesting that it has this pattern on here, which you can see there, but obviously it's colored because the plastic is like a translucent frosted plastic. And I guess everywhere that's black is maybe, I'm not sure if it's like printed on or kind of like a vinyl layer over it. I'm not sure if, yeah, I'm kind of assuming it's some sort of applique on top of it because it would be really hard to mold different pieces together, especially with the small detail. You can see how that goes all the way up kind of on the center line there. You can see here we've got translucent plastic all the way around. These arrows here, those are definitely cutouts. I can put my finger in them. We have selector buttons right there. Very sharp angular front end. There's the micro USB plug. You can see how it clicks. You can hear it too. And kind of looks like the front of a Lamborghini Aventador. Just a very angular Lamborghini-like. Here are those pads that are kind of like a hard plastic, so they should glide quite nicely. On-off button. We have the USB receiver here and technical support right there. So if I just turn this sucker on here, boom, it's obviously got some power. And you can see the ruler, scroll wheel here has a light, obviously, that you can see under it. And then a button here that says CPI is actually how you scroll through your DPI settings. So each time you hit that, the DPI settings apparently are 1200 to 2400 to 3500 to 5500 to 7200 DPI. So I've got the mouse set up here and it's pretty cool. I was actually going to film this in the dark because the light changing is pretty wicked looking, but I don't even need to. Even in the bright light here, you can see how crazy that is. It's totally doing a Tron thing. And so that is really, really cool. I will tell you, man, when people see that, they will freak. Unless they already have a gaming mouse. Then they'll already know what's up. But man, I totally dig that. That is really cool. So regardless if you're a gamer or just need a really kind of unique looking mouse, I think this sucker takes the cake. Does it work? Absolutely. I mean, I can't tell any difference with my regular mouse, although this thing feels super comfortable. You know, this rubberized black surface feels great. Everything's nice and smooth. I love the flare out here at the bottom. It supports my thumb, and this slopes right to the deck, so my hand feels really good on it. I love the fact that it's pretty large. Let me just show you kind of for comparison the Apple Magic Mouse, but it's a little shorter, it's much flatter, and you know, to be honest, this mouse gives my hand a lot more support. It goes all the way down to the pad of my hand here. So, man, it just feels great. I could stare at this all day. It's kind of mesmerizing. Listen, if you want a mouse with some personality, something with a little flash, something that looks high-tech, so you can feel like you're inside Tron, check this sucker out, man. I'm so intrigued. I love it. I'll put a link to the description. Peter von Panda. Out!